Hi everyone. Are black horizontal lines suddenly appearing on your iPhone screen? That can be really frustrating. But don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through simple steps to figure out what's causing it and how to fix it. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. First, restart your iPhone. Sometimes display glitches are just temporary software bugs, especially after an update. A quick restart can clear them instantly. Step 2. Check for software update. Next, go to Settings, General, Software Update. If there are update available, install it. Apple often fixes display-related bugs in small updates. Step 3. Check if it's a screenshot issue. Take a screenshot of your screen. If a black line appears in the screenshot, it is likely a software problem. If they do not appear in the screenshot, it could be a hardware issue with the display. Step 4. Remove screen protector. If you are using a screen protector, remove it and check again. Sometimes damaged or low quality protectors can create line-like shadows. Step 5. Reset all settings. If the lines are still there, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset display and system settings. Step 6. Check for physical damage. Look closely at your screen. If your phone was dropped or exposed to water, the lines may be caused by internal display damage. In that case, it's likely a hardware issue. Last option, contact Apple Support. If nothing works, it's best to contact Apple Support or visit an authorized service center. You maybe need a screen repair or replacement. And that's it. These steps should help you identify the cause of black horizontal line on your iPhone screen. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy iPhone fixes.